I'm Dog McDonald.
And I'm Hampster Johnson.
Together we have almost 30 minutes of survival training. And now, we're showing you how to survive in the toughest places. Today, we're in the desolate United States Rainforest to show you how to survive here if you ever get lost in this barren wasteland.
This place is so barren and isolated.
Yeah, man. I don't know how we're gonna be able to survive here.
Alright, the dismount from this bike's gonna be a little rough.
Alright, man. Let's do this. Alright, let's move.
Go, go!
Man, this place is just so intimidating.
I agree, man.
Alright, this looks like a good place to set up some shelter.
I agree, man.
We found a good place to set up some shelter, but we need to eat before the sun goes down, or we're going to get hungry. Alright, I'm gonna be looking in this log for a few grubs. Oh, this is a big one. Alright, got it.
Holy mackerel! That thing's loaded with vitamins and minerals. We're gonna be eating good tonight. Oh, those are terrible.
Even after our disgusting meal of grub, we're still hungry and we need to find some more food. Alright, I see a deer up here. I'm going to go try and get it. Follow me, be very silent. Alright, I'm right next to the deer, but I don't think he's spotted me yet. Not getting that deer is very discouraging, and now we are both very disappointed. Hey, turn that camera off. Alright, man. It's raining too much, and I'm hungry. I'm going inside my house. Nice working with you.
Bye. I'm here all alone now, and I'm a little bit nervous. Because the locals tell stories about this creature called the Ape Man, who steals puppies, birds, and small children. I've been here for 30 minutes now, and I'm starving. I need to find some civilization. Stop! It's the Ape Man! Alright, we need to get out of here. Alright, I think we lost him. Alright, I found a road.